What's up mga kalagarahe? Welcome back to our channel.
Good day mga kalagaray and welcome back to our channel. So ito ngayon, another episode of our motor reveal. So for today's video, special itong build na to kasi this is an old bike and ni-restore natin to its original state and we did some modifications para ma-improve ang performance niya and at the same time yung mga parts niya ng mga luma na. So today, papakita namin sa inyo yung mga ginawa namin. Unfortunately, wala kami mapakita sa inyo yung old pic kasi sa sobrang busy, di na namin na picturean yung yung old condition ng bike. So, let's go. So, to start off, dito tayo sa itaas. So, nagkabit tayo ng high rise na handlebar para comfortable pa rin at the same time. Favorite na grips. And Harley Davidson na side mirror, ayan. And then yung speedometer natin, bago na din. Kalook-alike lang sila actually nung stock. And then yung favorite natin na bulb type na headlight, kasi bagay dito sa build na to, ayan. And then yung chrome na signal lights niya. And as you can see, yung mga wirings natin, as always, ayan, naka-wrap na. Dito naman tayo sa fender, ayan, ni-restore lang natin yung luma. And then yung fork, repainted. And then yung mags, powder-coated na. Kasi yung luma is, silver and nag-oxidize na. So, chemical treatment natin, ayan. And then dito sa tank, same original tank, ni-restore lang natin. Dito naman sa side cover mga kalagarahe is hand shape na natin to na aluminum. So shape natin sa gusto nating shape and nakuha natin to. And same sila sa original. Although di siya original, pero nakuha pa rin natin yung aluminum na shape na gusto natin. Then dito sa seat naman, ito yung special request ng client. Ayan. Yan yung special request niya. Yung inspired sa ginawa nating Rebel. 500 na seat. So, ayan nagustuhan ng client. And then, yung shocks, pinalowered natin ng kaunti. Kasi sira na rin yung luma. And at the same time, to adjust the height para sa bounce or sa plane ng shocks para mas lowered siya tignan and hindi masyadong not cruiser. So, cruiser na talaga siya. Swing arm and chassis, everything was powder coated, pati na rin yung mugs. Ayan, lahat-lahat na-repaint na. Ito yung chrome na side mirror and yung bago nating taillight which is andito na. Ayan. So, neat na siya tingnan. Yung plate number na lang dito. And then, at the same time, maganda yung brightness ng taillight niya. And then, dito balik tayo sa elbow. Sorry, sobrang maalikabok kasi dito sa shop. Kahit paano namin pagpunas. Ito is powder coated na rin to. High temperature, of course. Kasi high temp dapat na powder coat ang ginagamit ba sa mga elbow. And yan naman yung bagong muffler natin. Stock pa rin yung mga footrest, brake pedals. I think that's all that we did for this bike. Pero as simple as it may seem, it is. Pero mahirap tong build na to, guys. Mga kalagaray, mahirap tong build na to kasi we dismantled it parts by parts, like every bit dismantled talaga natin kasi nga the bike was super old, so kailangan natin i-powder coat lahat and then yung parts lahat need linisan and deruster. Actually yung chassis niya we took a lot of time and effort na makuha talaga yung rust niya. So, our chemical na deruster, it works naman. Happily, okay naman siya. And then, na-powder coat natin ng maayos. So, yeah, ito yung build natin. So, ayun na mga kalagarahe. Thank you for watching our vlog for this Veloci 200. Di ko pa pala na-mention yung bike na to is Veloci 200. Not sure the maker, pero yeah, it's a Veloci 200cc displacement. And we thank you for watching this vlog, and we hope na you liked it. And nag-enjoy kayo sa mga nagawa natin na builds. And for this one, especially, kasi malaking restoration to. And ayun, please don't forget to like, comment, share our video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please, reminder ulit namin, sa gusto mag-inquire, please PM na kayo sa Facebook page natin. Doon kayo mag-send ng message or inquiries para mas ma-cater namin kayo ng mabuti. That's all. Capiche!